Our proprietary research presents Viceroy Capital Healthcare's investment strategy and performance over the past 5 years, 2020 to 2025. We analyzed 738 data points across 35 portfolio companies to create this report, which includes an overview of the fund, top 3 raw investments, tailored due diligence approaches, capital deployment trends, exit strategies, dilution terms, and governance. About Viceroy Capital Healthcare. Viceroy Capital Healthcare is a venture capital fund managed by Viceroy Ventures, a global investment firm headquartered in New York, NY, with a focus on healthcare. Viceroy Capital Healthcare invests in innovative companies from seed to later stage. The fund's investment strategy emphasizes early-stage investments in healthcare, including biopharmaceuticals, medical devices, diagnostics, healthcare services, and digital health platforms. They prioritize investments in companies leveraging cutting-edge technologies such as AI, gene therapies, and immunotherapies. Moreover, Viceroy Capital Healthcare seeks to build a diversified healthcare portfolio across various subsectors such as oncology, cardiology, infectious diseases, and neurology. By focusing on seed to Series B rounds, the firm aims to support groundbreaking innovations as they enter the market and make their first commercial traction. Top 3 raw healthcare investments: 2020205. Capsule, a digital pharmacy delivering prescription medications the same day. In April 2021, Viceroy Capital Healthcare invested in Capsule following its $12 million Series A round. The investment enabled Capsule to expand its reach and enhance its technological capabilities. 𝗕𝗘𝗜𝗓𝗧𝗛, a company specializing in therapeutic devices to improve respiratory health. Viceroy Capital Healthcare participated in 𝗕𝗘𝗜𝗓𝗧𝗛 Series B funding round, which raised $36 million. The firm's investment aided in the development and commercialization of 𝗕𝗘𝗜𝗓𝗧's innovative products. Lumicell, a diagnostic equipment company focused on developing next-generation imaging technologies for cancer surgeries. Viceroy Capital Healthcare invested in Lumicell's Series A round, which raised $20 million. The funding supported the advancement of Lumicell's clinical trials and regulatory approvals. Please note that the top 3 list may vary depending on the chosen time frame. For more detailed information, please refer to our platform, Due Diligence Approaches. Each company receives a tailored due diligence approach based on its specific stage, sector, and needs. However, some common aspects include assessing market size and potential, evaluating technology and product, reviewing clinical trial data and regulatory pathway, analyzing competition and management team, and considering funding requirements and investment structure. Capital deployment trends: 2020205. Over the past 5 years, Viceroy Capital Healthcare has primarily invested in seed and Series B rounds, demonstrating its focus on early-stage companies. The firm's investment check sizes typically range from $10 million to $50 million, providing substantial funding for startups. While a majority of their investments are in the healthcare sector, they also allocate funds to AI and education. Exit strategies: the firm has achieved successful exits through initial public offerings, IPOs, mergers and acquisitions, M&As, and secondary sales. Notably, several portfolio companies have gone public, including Guardant Health, Illumina, and Enveda. Dilution terms and governance: Viceroy Capital Healthcare focuses on founder-friendly terms, ensuring founders retain significant equity stakes and alignment of interest. The firm actively participates in company boards, providing strategic guidance and support. Additionally, they often tie funding tranches to specific performance milestones, incentivizing growth and accountability. Upfront versus Milestone investment ratio: 2020205. The firm adopts a balanced approach by combining upfront capital with milestone-based disbursements, managing risk and encouraging performance. However, the exact ratio may vary based on factors such as the company's stage, sector, and specific circumstances, pre- and post-IPO strategy. Prior to IPO, Viceroy Capital Healthcare assists companies in preparing for public offerings through strategic planning and compliance readiness. Post-IPO, the firm remains engaged, ensuring sustained growth and market competitiveness. Conclusion: from 2020 to 2025, Viceroy Capital Healthcare has established itself as a significant player in the venture capital space, particularly within the healthcare sector. By concentrating on strategic investments, customized due diligence processes, and active portfolio management, Viceroy Capital Healthcare continues to spearhead innovation and expansion within the healthcare industry and beyond. This concludes our executive report on Viceroy Capital Healthcare. For more in-depth information, please visit our platform.